Okay. Today we'll see in 2b. We have seen 3 points. Today we'll continue with the other problems. Take this. Find the equation of circle passing from 2 comma minus 3, 4 minus 4 comma 5 and center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now look at the solution again. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Again, first point on it. So what will happen? 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. 4 plus 9 plus 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Rewrite 4g minus 6f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. First equation. What is the second equation? Minus 4 comma 5 on it. Minus 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into minus 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 16 plus 25 minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. So this becomes 10f plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Observe here, every time we are formulating the equations, sir. We are formulating equations and we have to solve the equations. Okay, second equation is over. Let us see what is the next one he has given. Center is on the line. Okay, center is what? Minus g comma minus f. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f on the line. What is the line? 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. Third equation. We got third equation. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? First equation is 4g minus 6f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. What is the second equation? Minus 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Subtract plus minus minus minus, c will get cancelled. 12g minus 16f minus 28 is equal to 0. Cancel by 4 table. Cancel by 4 table. So what will happen? 3g minus 4f minus 7 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Now you have to solve third and fourth. Solve 3 and 4. Again, cross multiplication method. What is that I told you? G, F1. Put a line here, put a line here, put a line here. So first you have to write F coefficient. What is F coefficient? Minus 3. Constant is 1. Again G coefficient. Minus 4. F coefficient, constant, G coefficient. Then minus 3. Next, fourth equation. F coefficient. Minus 4, minus 7, 3, minus 4. Remember, this method is very, very important. So cross multiplication. So G by minus 3 into minus 7, 21. Minus of minus 4 is equal to F by 3 minus 28. 1 into 3 is equal to 1 by 16 minus of minus 9. So G by 25, F by minus 25, because minus of minus become plus 25, F by minus 25, 1 by 25. Therefore, G is equal to 25 by 25, F is equal to minus 25 by 25. So what is the G value? 1, F value minus 1. So you got G value, F value, put in 1. What is the first equation? The first equation 4G, 4 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 plus C plus 13 is equal to 0. So this becomes 4 plus 6 plus C plus 13 is equal to 0. 23 plus C is equal to 0, C is equal to minus 23. Means what? Every time we have to get 3 equations, solve 1 and 2. Here C eliminated, 4th equation has come. With the 3rd equation we are solving. We got the C value. Therefore, circle equation. Circle equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx. 2gx. G value how much we got? 1 plus 2x. Then 2fy minus 2y plus C minus 20. Okay, so what we are doing here? With the points we are formulating equations, with the center we are formulating 3rd equation. Then solve 1 and 2, C will be eliminated, cancelled by 4 table, then you get cross multiplication method. This method is very important, sir. To make you understand, I am writing one line below G, sir. G kinda oka line rasna, F kinda oka line, constant kinda oka. So cross multiplication method. Okay, please go through this. Copy this. Okay, let us see one more problem. What is the problem? Find the equation of the circle passing from 4, 1, 6, 5 and having the center on the line 4x plus 3y minus 24. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is a circle equation. What is the first point? 4, 1 on it. So 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. First equation. What is the second point? 6, 5 on it. So what will happen? 6 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. So 12g plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now center minus g comma minus f on 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f minus 24 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. 4g plus 3f plus 24 is equal to 0. Third equation. Okay, we have got the 3 equations. Solve 1 and 2. What is 1 and 2? 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 12g plus 10f plus c plus 66 is equal to 0. Minus, 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 minus. This will get cancelled. Minus 4g minus 8f minus 44 is equal to 0. Cancel by minus 4. So this becomes g plus 2f plus 11 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Now again solve 3 and 4. What is the third equation? That is cross multiplication method. Line, line, line. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్. ఫస్ట్ ఎఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ రాయండి. 3, 24, 4, 3. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2, 11. Next 1, 2. So g by 33 minus 48. Then f 24 minus 44 is equal to 1 by 8 minus 3. Cross multiplication. Okay, so G by minus 15, F by minus 20, 1 by minus 5. So G value minus 15 by minus 5, F value minus 20 by minus 5. So what is the G value? 3. What is F value? 4. You got G value, F value. Now we are solving systematically, sir, every equation. Now put in first equation, put in 1. What is the first equation? 8G. So 24. 2F, 8 means G and F plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. So C plus 49. What is the first equation? 8G. So what is the G value? 3, F value 4. So this becomes what, sir? 32 plus 17, 49. So C is equal to minus 49. So what is the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx. Okay, sir, here 5. So this becomes minus 3 minus 4. So this becomes what? Minus 24 minus 8 plus. So this becomes C minus 15 is equal to 0. What is the C value? 15. So here 8 minus 3, 5. So this becomes minus 3 minus 4. So x square plus y square. Then 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, what I am doing here? First equation, second equation, and center we have substituted. Then we got 3 equations. Every time we are doing the same method. That's why I am continuously writing the problem. So first equation, second equation solve cheyali sir. 1 and 2. Cheste fourth equation vastundi. Alage third equation, fourth equation solve cheste cross multiplication method. 3 into 11 minus 2 into 48. Similarly, F by 24 minus 11, 44. So minus 20. So G value minus 3, F value minus 4. Substitute in the first equation. First equation is 8G plus 2F plus C plus 17. So minus 24 minus 8 plus C plus 17. What is the C value I get? 15. So circle equation we get. Okay. This is a compulsorily models are 3 points, 4 points, 2 points centered on the circle. Okay. Let us see next problem. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Find the equation of circle which passes from same points are 4 comma 5, 4 comma 1, 6 comma 5, and the center is on the line 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now again let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X is 4 comma 1. So 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 8g plus 2f plus c, sorry, plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. First equation. What is second point? 6 comma 5. So 6 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 12g plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. Right? This is the second equation. Again, center minus g comma minus of on. Which lines are now? 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 4g minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. So remove the minus sign, plus 16 is equal to 0. Third equation. Now solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. What is the second equation? 12g plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 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 minus. So minus 4g minus 8f minus 44 is equal to 0. Cancel by minus 4. So G plus 2F plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. Again, solve 3 and 4. What is the third one? G, F, 1. Put the line here, put the line here, put the line here. Okay, F coefficient 1, 16, 4, 1. Next one 2, 11, 1, 2. Right? So G by 11 minus 32. Okay. Next F by 16 minus 44. Okay. Next 1 by 8 minus 1. So it is because G by minus 21, F by minus 28, 1 by 7. Therefore, G is equal to minus 21 by 7, F is equal to minus 28 by 7. So G is equal to minus 3, F is equal to minus 4. So if you observe the procedure, I am continuously doing the same procedure, sir. Same methods, only values are changing. Now put in 1. What is the first equation? 8G. G value ento vachindi minus 3. So minus 24 and F value minus 8 plus C, and what is the plus 17 is equal to 0. So what will happen? Minus 8. So what will happen here? C minus 15 is equal to 0. C is equal to 15. What is C value? 15. So observe here, again C is equal to 15 because minus 32. Therefore circle equation, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Same answer. In the problem, the answer is sir. There, the central equation is different. Here, central equation is different. Although central equation is different, you will be getting the same answer. That's why this problem is also very, very important. Okay, please note down this. Let us see one more problem. Okay, let us see one more problem. Now, what is the question? Find the equation of the circle center on the line on x-axis. Center is on x-axis and passes from minus 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Now look at here. Now what he has given? Center is on x-axis. So equation of the circle with center on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. There is no fy term, sir, because center is on x-axis. So by x-axis, which coordinate will be 0? Y coordinate means y component will be 0. So center will be minus g comma 0. What is the center? Minus g comma 0. That's why our equation is what, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. What is the first point? 2 comma 3. So what will happen? Minus 2 square plus 3 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. So minus 4g plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. What is second point? 4 comma 5. So 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0, because we have to consider only 2gx. So 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c is equal to 0. So 8g plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Second equation. We will solve 1 and 2. First equation. This is the second equation. What is the first equation? Minus 4g plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Second equation. 8g plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Subtract minus minus minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 12g minus 28 is equal to 0. So minus 12g is equal to 28. So g is equal to minus 28 by 12 minus 7 by 3. I have cancelled with the 4 table. Next put in 1. What is the first equation? 4g minus 4 into g is minus 7 by 3 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. So 28 by 3 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. LCM is 3. 28 plus c plus 39 is equal to 0. LCM we have taken. So this becomes 3c plus 39 is equal to 0. So this becomes 67 plus 3c is equal to 0. 28 plus 39, 67. So 3c is equal to minus 67. C is equal to minus 67 by 3. You got? See, only two values required, sir. G value we got, C value we got. Therefore, circle x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2gx means minus 14 by 3. X minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So, today what we have seen in this class, circle passing from 2 points, center is on the line. There are 3 problems, and circle with the center on x-axis passing from 2 points. Okay, these 4 problems are very, very important. Okay, we'll continue next class. Please note down this.